Hi, this is Morley and this is the M-Wire. In this video, we are going to look at the ongoing saga between Robinhood, GameStop, and Wall Street. Just when you thought things couldn't get any more ostentatiously bizarre with this, they somehow do. In a surprise move, the investors of GameStop have kicked in an additional $3.4 billion. Yes, that's billion with a B. I was under the impression that Robinhood was a publicly traded company, meaning that you could actually buy stock in Robinhood itself. But no, these people that are investing are at the ownership level. We're talking $3.4 billion kicked in. That's pretty sad when a brokerage firm isn't making money and you need additional money from investors. I'm not a financial genius by any means, but in my mind, that is not an overly good sign at all. Online brokerage firm Robinhood raised $2.4 billion from shareholders over the weekend, bringing the company's fundraising total to $3.4 billion since Thursday as the company continues to address the fallout from the volatility in stocks such as GameStop. This is absolutely incredible. Robinhood is probably just bleeding money, and at the ownership level, they've literally kicked in another $3.4 billion. That is just shocking to me. Like, this conforms to the definition of good money after bad, in my humble opinion, but we'll have to see how this all shakes out. Robinhood called the investments the most money the company has ever raised, a strong sign of confidence from investors, and said it will help us build for future and continue to serve people through the exponential growth we've seen this year. The company said in a blog post that it plans to use the funds to build and enhance our products that give more people access to the financial system. See, that's one thing I'm not overly understanding about this. Like, I don't see the draw of Robinhood. Like, they're making it out like Robinhood is the only place on the internet that you can trade stocks, and as we all know, that's anything but true. This round of funding will help us scale to meet the incredible growth we've seen in demand for our platform. We are humbled by our customers' response to our offering and remain inspired by everyday people taking control of their financial futures. Robinhood CFO Jason Warnock said in his statement, okay, so if that's true, why are people bailing from Robinhood left, right, and center? You don't believe me? Let's go to Twitter. I love the smell of lawsuits come Monday. Robinhood now blocks users from getting their statements. Statements are required if you want to transfer to another broker. Well, this certainly sounds like a very upstanding, sound business, doesn't it? I mean, how do you not trust a company who won't even give you a statement? Saying nothing of the fact that over the past few days, they've been limiting exactly like how much stock you can buy, as we're going to see in a minute, as well as selling shares on their clients' behalf because they believe it's in their best interest. Would you trust a company that did something without your permission simply because they acted on the premise of what they thought was your best interest? I didn't think so, me neither. Been trying to transfer my account from Robinhood to Sophie in the past few days, but Sophie can't connect to Robinhood. Any idea when this will be fixed? Will it ever be fixed? I mean, at this rate, Robinhood just might, take all the money and run. They're drawing a lot of heat from the SEC, so who knows when you'll be able to get your money there, buddy. Robinhood is still severely limiting trading. Customers can only buy one share of GameStop. Wow, this sounds like an absolutely crack, top-notch brokerage. I mean, I can't understand for the life of me why people would even deal with such a third-rate outfit such as Robinhood. This is unconscionable to me. It really and seriously is. This is from Friday. Friday night entertainment, reading all the one-star reviews from people leaving Robinhood in the App Store. Gee, I wonder why. I just wonder why. The company said the latest round of investments was led by Rabbit Capital with the participation from existing investors. Robinhood has served millions of people who have felt left behind by America's financial system. We're confident that Robinhood will emerge stronger through this phase of growth and unprecedented demand. Ribbit managing partner Mickey Malka said, once again, why are people making this out like this is the only place on the internet that you can buy stocks? I don't understand the loyalty to Robinhood. I mean, there should have been red flags raised like a long time ago about this, because now they're under investigation with the SEC. And as we're going to see here, Robinhood has faced sharp criticism from customers and politicians on both sides of the aisle after thousand-fold price surges in shares of GameStop prompted the company to introduce trading restrictions on a number of high volatility stocks, at one point barring customers from purchasing new shares of GameStop at all. Several lawsuits have been filed and the company as a result, and both the House Financial Services Committee and the Senate Banking Committee plan to hold hearings to address the market activity and Robinhood's policies. Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev defended the restrictions last week, citing financial obligations to market clearinghouses and the costs associated with extremely volatile stocks. Transactions completed through the online brokers such as Robinhood appear to be instantaneous to users, but most transactions take days to be settled, and brokers rely on market clearinghouses to complete them. But clearinghouses require collateral while the trades are being settled, and the more volatile the stock, the more collateral is required. Okay, so that explains why at the ownership level they had to kick in so much money. Like, this is absolutely crazy. Like that they don't even have enough money to cover it as is. Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, one of the largest clearing houses on the stock market, required nearly 100% of GameStop's share price as collateral for each transaction, Denier said. Despite the massive influx of cash, Robinhood is reportedly delaying its plans for an initial public offer, which investors were anticipating sometime this year. Fox Business Charles Gasparino tweeted Monday that plans for an IPO are on hold to focus the surviving current drama over trading of stocks and settlement issues. Well, there's lawsuits pending against Robinhood now, as well as they're under investigation by the SEC. So I thought I would just give you that update on Robinhood, GameStop, Wall Street, and the ongoing financial saga thereof. Thank you for coming along with me to my video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe in this age of legendary internet censorship. God bless.